Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to sell in eToro. eToro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. To start selling in eToro, you need to create an account and deposit funds. Once your account is set up, navigate to the dashboard and search for the instrument you want to sell. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the page or by browsing through the various categories. When you find the instrument you want to sell, click on it to open the trading screen. Here, you will see the current price and other relevant information. To place a sell order, click on the Sell button and enter the amount you want to sell. You can choose to sell at the current market price or set a limit price. It is essential to understand the different types of sell orders available in eToro. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, while a limit order is executed when the price reaches a specified level. You can also set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. Before placing a sell order, make sure you have a clear understanding of the fees involved. eToro charges a spread on each trade, which is the difference between the buy and sell prices. You should also be aware of any other fees, such as overnight fees or withdrawal fees. To maximize your chances of success in eToro, it is crucial to develop a solid trading strategy. This involves setting clear goals, managing risk, and staying up to date with market news and trends. You can also use eToro's social trading features to learn from other traders and copy their trades. In conclusion, selling in eToro is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of the platform and its features. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start selling in eToro and potentially earn profits. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.